There we are. So again, the pandemic legitimately blew up the creative community in Milwaukee. There was a whole bunch of people who had come into the creative community, and over at Islands of Brilliance, where I work, we had just a wonderful group of people that we would continually work with. But then, yeah, everybody kind of just started struggling a little bit. So what did we do? We decided, once we finally had the time, to create a space for people, to allow folks to be able to come in and learn together. Like, the idea of a creative community is something that's really important to us. So that's where we're getting started with. Some of you who've worked with me in the past, Skylar, who is here, I know that you know, that's kind of one of my jams. I'm all about creating that community. So with that in mind, what I thought is, okay, how do I take my absolute passion for teaching and my ability to cultivate communities and bring that to Islands of Brilliance? And my boss, Mark Fairbanks, is super awesome and said, you know what, let's give back. Let's help build a space for people to thrive. And there really, truly is no obligations with that. And I think a lot of people are confused. They're like, okay, so this is from Islands of Brilliance. You're training mentors on something that we need to train on, but you're not actually going to require us to actually be a mentor. And that is correct. I know it seems weird, but our whole goal is we want to spread the general good so that people understand who Islands of Brilliance is, what we're all about, but really just to create that space that the pandemic destroyed, where a bunch of people could get together and grow towards something.